So we've got the latest generation Range Rover Velar in with us today here at TTWinstallations. We've just finished installing the latest generation BlackVue, which is the 970X Plus LTE, which is the latest new release BlackVue model with the LTE upgrade for cloud. We've also fitted the Cellink Neo 8, which I'll just show you where we've put that as well, and we've also protected the vehicle with the latest SmartTrack S5 tracker. So I'll just show you inside what you can expect with an installation from us, from TTW. So we've got main front camera obviously situated there behind the rear view mirror, so when you're in the driving position it's not going to be obvious that it's there. And then you've got obviously the latest generation X Plus, which is nicely fitted in there. As you can see, there's hardly any wiring in terms of the front one. I'll just pull back so you can sort of see how it looks like inside the cabin area, and then I'll just show you to the rear. So we've got rear camera, which is situated in this position because of the wiper sweep, but as you can see here, no visible wiring at all inside the back here for that. I'll just pull back so you can see a bit better. And then we've also concealed the battery pack, which is nicely positioned here underneath in the actual boot, so it's nice out the way, but it's obviously in a good area where it's going to get enough ventilation as well, so it's not going to overheat for the battery pack, which is there. So if you have latest generation Velar or any other Range Rover model, then please get in touch. We'll be happy to do this type of install for you.